Morning, Willow. So your morning activity today is to write your name with objects. Okay, so I'm around the house, and I look forward to seeing them. Okay, I'm gonna go on to our recap. So are you ready? S, a, t, I, m, n, d, g, a, k, 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 e, o, r, b, f, l, s, j, v, w, x, y, z, qu, z, ch, sh, th, ng, a, e, I, o. Well done. Do that and then upload to Class Dojos for me. Your new diagraph this week is O, O, O. Can you do that, please? Fantastic. We're going to read these ones, so get your segmenting hands ready. K, oat, coat. Load, load. Goat, goat. Loaf, loaf. Road, road. Soap, soap. Can you do them for me? And then what I want you to do is point out the O sound to your parents or carers or your brothers or sisters, aunties, uncles, whoever you are with on each word, please. Fantastic. Don't forget to upload your work to Class Dojos, and then we're going to start English. If you want to have a little break, then you can do. Just pause the video here and go and take a little break. Okay? Okay, so the book we are reading today is Rainbow Fish. So I'm going to read the full book to you today, and then we'll read the rest of the pages for the rest of the week. A long way out in the deep blue sea, there lived a fish. Not just an ordinary fish, but the most beautiful fish in the entire ocean. His scales were every shade of blue and green and purple with sparkling silver scales amongst them. Okay. The other fish was amazed at his beauty. They called him Rainbow Fish. Come on, Rainbow Fish, they would call. Come and play with us. But the Rainbow Fish would just glide past, proud and silent, letting his scales shimmer. One day a little blue fish followed after him. Rainbow Fish, he called, wait for me. Please give me one of your shiny scales. They are so wonderful and you have so many. You want me to give you one of my special scales? Who do you think you are? Cried Rainbow Fish. Get away from me. Shocked, the little blue fish swam away. He was so upset he told all his friends what had happened. From then on, no one would have anything to do with Rainbow Fish. They turned away when he swam by. What good were these dazzling, shimmering scales when no one to admire them? Now he was the loneliest fish in the entire ocean. One day he poured out his troubles to the starfish. I really am beautiful. Why doesn't anybody like me? I can't answer that for you, said the starfish, but if you go beyond the coral reef to the deep cave, you will find the wise octopus. Maybe she can help you. The Rainbow Fish found the cave. It was very dark inside and he couldn't see anything. Then suddenly two eyes caught him in their glare and the octopus emerged from the darkness. I've been waiting for you, said the octopus with a deep voice. The waves have told me your story. This is my advice. Give a glittering scale to each of the other fish. You will no longer be the most beautiful fish in the sea, but you will discover how happy to be. I can't, the Rainbow Fish started to say, but the octopus had already disappeared into a dark cloud of ink. Give away my scales, my beautiful shining scales, never. How could I ever be happy without them? Suddenly he felt the light touch of a fin. The little blue fish was back. Rainbow Fish, please don't be angry. I just wanted one little scale. The Rainbow Fish wavered. Only one very, very small shimmery scale, he thought. Well, maybe I wouldn't just miss one. Carefully, the Rainbow Fish pulled out the smallest scale and gave it to the little fish. Thank you very much, the little blue fish bubbled playfully as he took the shiny scale in amongst his blue ones. A rather particular feeling came over the Rainbow Fish. For a long time he watched the little blue fish swim back and forth with his shiny new glittering scale in the water. The little blue fish whizzed through the ocean with his scale flashing, so it didn't take long before the rainbow fish was surrounded by other fish. Everyone wanted a glittering scale. The rainbow fish shared his scales left and right, and the more he gave away, the more delighted he became. And when the water around him filled with glimmering scales, he at least felt at home amongst the other fish. Finally, the rainbow fish had only one shiny scale left. His most prized possession had been given away, yet he was very happy. "Come on, rainbow fish," they called. "Come and play with us." "Here I come," said the rainbow fish, and happy as a splash, he swam off to join his friends. And then we've got the rainbow fish at the end. Okay, so we're doing this page where he was swimming along. And what we're going to do is we're going to add an adjective to describe the rainbow fish. So in the deep blue sea lived as something fish. So we need to think of adjectives to describe fish. So we have beautiful, gorgeous, pretty, and kind. Okay, so we would put one of our red words where our red line is, and then you could either chop the lines up with your parents and carers and order the sentence, or you can write the sentence with your adjective in there. Once you've done chunk 1, pause the video if you need to. I'm going to go on to chunk 2. So also here in chunk 2, we're going to add another adjective. The other fish called him something fish. What did the other fish call him? What could they have called him? So the other fish called him rainbow, colourful, or beautiful. Fish, I have chose rainbow fish, or you could do colourful. And we add our adjective into that red box. Once again, you can either write it out and order the sentence, or you can write it out yourself, okay? Once you've done chunk 2, it's now break time, so go and grab a snack or have 10 minutes or have a play and then come back. Remember, please pause the video because I'm going to continue to do maths. Okay, so we're going to do maths and we're still doing subtraction. So in subtraction, we are going to use a circle method. So 10 take away 3. So we do 10 circles and then we cross out 3. 1, 2, 3. And how many we're left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're left with 7 circles, so 10 take away 3 equals 7. Okay, you can choose which one you want to do, either group 1 or group 2. Once you've done these on your do it, please then do your twist it. Remember to pause the video here, please, now while you're doing your group 1 or group 2, because I'm going to move on to twist it. Okay, so the twist it is Max had 25 sweets, Archer took 25 off him. Max said he now has 0 sweets. Show why he is correct. Okay, so if you're showing why he is correct, remember to do the correct number sentence and write down the answer. Okay, and it's lunchtime now, so I'll see you soon. Remember to upload your work to Class Dojos. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow, Willows, or later for curriculum.